Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Safepal Wallet application. For that, first of all, you need to start by opening your Safepal Wallet application. Then you need to log in into your account. Now, over here on the home screen, you are going to see the option of buy. So once you tap on the option of buy, you will be landed here on this buy and sell crypto page. Now by default in the pay section, USD will be selected, and in the estimated receive section, the BTC will be selected. So here you can select in which currency you want to pay. For example, let's say you want to pay in CAD, you can select that. If you want to pay in GBP, you can select that too. If you want to pay in AUD, you can select that. Basically, you can select the currency or the fiat currency according to you. I would recommend you to select USD because the process will be easy for you this way. Now in the estimated receive section, simply tap on this drop down menu. Then you are going to see all of the cryptocurrencies which you can buy here. So you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to buy in your Safepal wallet. As I've told you earlier, by default BTC will be selected, but you can select Ethereum, SFP or BNB. So let's say I want to buy BNB, so you need to select it. After that, enter the amount in USD. Then it is going to show you the equivalent amount you are going to receive in that particular cryptocurrency. Now here, if you just take a look at this option, this particular thing or the buy or sell option is powered by Binance Connect. So you need to have the Binance application or your Binance account ready. If you don't have it, you can just use the link that is given in the description. It will give you some of the sign up bonuses. So here, if you tap on the option of buy, it is going to redirect you here in your Binance application, where you need to see the payment method and see everything is correct. Then if you press continue here in the bottom, on the next page you need to simply conclude your transaction. Once your transaction is finished, once you have completed the transaction, you are going to receive your crypto in your Safepal wallet application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides, and comment below if you want me to create tutorial on any other topics. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.